Hello and welcome to another daily Quaker Parrot video. We got our birds on February 5th, 2021, and we are recording footage every single day and posting videos daily to see the progress we are making with our birds. Any likes and subscriptions are greatly appreciated, and be sure to do so if you want to follow right along with us and see the growth and training and development of our Quaker Parrot. Man, stop. Hey, stop, stop. Jenny Pooh. Jenny, stop. Stop. Stop, honey. Come on. Cannot believe I have to redo these. I gotta redo these 'cause I'm... Wow. Well, I think I got tomorrow's video. Oh yeah, I was going to do a Photoshop one too, wasn't I? Whoa, easy. Oh, I can scroll while I'm doing this, huh? Jenny. Where's your ball? Hey. Thank you for watching. We post videos every day on our Quaker Parrots. They can range from training or just random videos of us hanging out with the birds, or maybe tips and advice for working with your Quaker Parrots, or something that we have came across that may be helpful to others. Thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to support us, and if you want to follow along with us to see the growth and development of our Quaker Parrots. Thank you.